Alrighty, we're now recording the after video for 4023 33rd Avenue West. The date is still January 2nd, 2019. You're looking again at the main line about 145 feet out. So we are going to pull back the camera and take a look at after jetting. So this is after the line has been jetted. You'll notice where there were roots, there are no longer roots. There goes a nice little turd. Back in 4-inch now. You'll see like little tiny stragglers up to the right there. I mean, that's magnified. Those are smaller than a pine needle. The jetter won't cut those when they get that small. They just kind of flap in the wind. So where there were big root systems, they've now been cut back to less than the size of a pine needle. So we're coming up on the main culprits here in a minute, or where they were. They no longer exist, so let me get there right about here. There's the turn. So there was a giant root on this turn, and a giant root here. You'll see at that top of the seam there where it was coming in, it's now completely cut out. So. And as we come back, you'll see all those smaller ones that were coming in are now gone. So, pipe is in good condition, completely cleaned out, wide open, ready to go. There's the clean out. There is the basketball hoop. And there is your wonderful technician, Casey Ryan Yates. All right, we're signing out of the recording. Happy holidays, everyone.